What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to another video about DXRP, the first ever decentralized exchange on top of XRP that will be upcoming. And right now in an 11 hours we are entering into the next stage of the early access phase. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on this channel guys, and of course check out the link to DXRP here in the video description if you want to get on board. Make sure also to be subscribed on this channel and join also my other social media platforms, maybe also on BitChute or Instagram or Odyssey. Those are kind of decentralized YouTube channels, those Odyssey and BitChute. If you want, you can also create there an account. Feel free to do that. And of course, remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here sharing everything with you. Whatever I'm buying and trading and selling and doing here in the crypto space, I'm sharing that with you guys. And DXRP is currently the only one in the early access phase, so in the pre-market phase, before the token is launching and also before the project is launching. So we have many new upcoming cryptos that you can also see here in the video description, of course. Those are all the ones that currently are very hyped, that everyone is talking about, Maxi Doge, Bitcoin Hyper, and so on. But DXRP is the only one on XRP. All others are on Ethereum or Solana. And maybe we're gonna see a completely new trend coming up with the new projects on XRP, and DXRP is basically the first one that is coming out. And that's why, since it is basically maybe front running a new trend, I'm currently buying into this one guys. It is powered of course by the XRP ledger, and if you want to join it, click the link in the video description and then here join pre-sale. You can then connect the wallet, and then of course you can interact here with the website. I am connecting of course always both Ethereum wallet and also Solana. You can of course also just use Ethereum, for example here the Ethereum chain, and buy into this coin, or you can also connect the Solana wallet as well. Both is possible. Whatever appears, just click here OK to connect to the wallet, and then you can interact with it. You can buy with Solana or other coins. Everything is supported here. If you spend a certain amount, you get also a nice bonus here as well. There is no staking here, so only this bonus system. And of course, also if you want to buy directly, you can put here the amount that you would like to invest, and then the coins will be locked here on the website. The minimum is $80. Yes, $80 here to get on board, which I think is nothing, especially looking at the stage in which we are in right now. And you can see that at the end it's going parabolic then to the listing price of 35 cents. Currently we can buy into this coin for 4 cents per token. I bought also into this one of course, and the listing price will be 35 cents. So just because of that, I am already bullish for this project and also for the token itself. And hopefully also here we're gonna see a big new trend here in XRP, because I also bought into XRP, and I hope that also long term this of course has great upside potential and will become bigger and bigger. Of course, for me the king is still Bitcoin, that's for sure. A lot of my gains I'm doing always with altcoins and new pre-market coins, and always converting them back into Bitcoin. But of course it is also important to have kind of a hodl portfolio also for the altcoins, so some certain altcoins that you anyway want to keep also for future bull runs, because we have seen Solana, Ethereum and XRP, those three coming always back in every bull run, at least until now. And that's why I am bullish also for XRP and new projects that could be launching here on XRP as well. If you want to get on board guys, link in the video description. DXRP currently also mentioned in different new crypto websites as well. And of course, for a lot of investors, it is very interesting to buy into this coin, because first of all, we have a limited supply. Second, very cheap price right now in the early stage phase, and the listing price will be at 35 cents. So much more than right now. There is even a calculator here, how much gains in theory you could do if the coin is reaching a certain levels, of course, with an investment, for example, of $1,000 and so on. So even if it's just launching or coming to 10 cents from here on, would be already like more than the double. But the listing price will be 35 cents. So this one over here. That's why I bought in. And you can see that here we have over 4,000 investors already. This one is completely new guys. So if you're buying in, make sure also to have some patience, because this one, of course, will take some time until it will come out, since it's in the early stage phase. And you can see that over 3 million have been raised already. More than half of the supply is already gone. So that means that listing could come fast. So hurry up if you're planning to invest into a new XRP project. I think that everyone that has to do with XRP will have their eyes also into this new project. And that's why don't miss it out, guys. And of course, no financial advice. We never know what happens with XRP in the future or with such projects like DXRP. Everything can happen, but I like to be invested in new projects, and DXRP is definitely one that I'm not ignoring, and I'm buying in right now because of the much higher listing price and of course the first ever decentralized exchange built on XRP. That's why I think that's enough to buy in my opinion. So be subscribed, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and put everything in the comment section that you want, because the more active you are, the more likelier it is I'm gonna select you as the lucky winner of the next $100 worth of meme coins that we're gonna do as soon as we reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.